this, the third part of our general review of Math Primary 6. Our part starts by the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. We have two parts. How can we find the distance between 2 points on the straight line, and how can we find the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane? To find the distance between 2 points on straight line like this, here we have straight line, we have 2 points, point A and point B. If I want the distance between A and B, the distance between 2 points on a straight line equal what? Number of end point minus number of starting point. But we must take the absolute value. Why? Because the distance must be positive. The distance must be positive. Okay. For example, when we say from the opposite figure, find the distance between A and B. Find the length of AB. To find length of AB or the distance between A and B, I will start by the end point B minus A, B minus A. B equal what? B equal 5 minus A equal what? Equal negative 2. 5 minus negative 2, when we have minus then negative, it will convert to plus, so that the number become 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equal what? Equal 7 unit, so that to find the distance between 2 points on a straight line, I will take the absolute value of end point minus starting point. The second word, the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. In any coordinate plane like this, we have any point on the coordinate plane, write as ordered pair. Ordered pair. What's the meaning of ordered pair? Ordered pair is pair of numbers. The first number belong to x-axis and the second number belong to y-axis. To find the distance between 2 points, the 2 points must be in the same line, must be in the same horizontal line, or must be in the same vertical line, like this. From the opposite figure, A equal negative 2 and 1, B equal 3 and 1, and D equal negative 2 and 5. Find AB. AB equal B minus A. AB equal B minus A. Look here. A equal negative 2 and 1, B equal 3 and 1. The 2 points must have same coordinate, must have the same number of x, or must have the same number of y. A and B have the same number of y. Okay, so that I will subtract the two numbers of x, so that AB equal B minus A, B equal 3 minus A equal negative 2. 3 minus negative 2 equal what? Equal 5 centimeter. Okay, another example, when we say find AD, AD equal D minus A. A and D must have same point, must have the same point of x, or must have the same point of y, because we say the two ordered pair must have what? Must have the same number of x or the same number of y. A and D have the same number of x coordinates, so that I will subtract the coordinate of y. 5 minus 1 equal 4, so that the distance between AD equal 4 centimeter. Okay. The second part in our video, the geometric transformation. In geometric transformation, what's the meaning of geometric transformation? Geometric transformation transform each point in the plane in a point is called a dash in the same plane. We have many types of geometric transformation. We start by reflection in primary 5, and in this year we'll talk about translation. When we say to any students, please move this chair. Okay, I want to move the chair. Where? After 2 steps. Okay, in any direction, in this direction, or this direction, or this direction, or this direction. So that to find the translation of any point, to find the translation of any point, we must know 2 points. We must know 2 points. Number one, the magnitude of translation. Number two, the direction of translation. The direction of translation. So that to find translation of a point in the coordinate plan, number one, find the magnitude and find the direction. Okay, for example, the translation of geometric shape in the coordinate plan. If we have example like this, he say in the opposite figure find the image of triangle ABC where A equals 0 and 1, B equal 2 and 3, C equal negative 1 and 4 by translation x plus 2, y plus 3. To find the image of each point, to find the image of point A, its image will be A dash. Okay, how can we find A dash? We add the point of x-axis to the magnitude in x-axis. The magnitude in x-axis is 2, so that we add 0 plus 2. And we add the point of y-axis to the magnitude in y-axis. The magnitude in y-axis equals 3, so that the ordered pair will be 0 plus 2 equal 2, 1 plus 3 equal 4. Okay, number 2, I want the image of point B. The image of point B will called B dash. How can I find the image of point B? Add the point of x-axis in B to the magnitude in x-axis 2 plus 2 and add the point in y-axis in B by the magnitude in y-axis 3 plus 3, so that the image will be 2 plus 2 equal 4, 3 plus 3 equal 6, so that the ordered pair of B dash 4 and 6. To find the image of point C, the image of point C will be C dash. How can we find? Yes, add the point of x-axis by the magnitude in x, negative 1 plus 2. Add the point in y-axis by the magnitude of y, 4 plus 3. Negative 1 plus 2 equal 1, 4 plus 3 equal 7. So that in any exercise, add the first point in the ordered pair to the first point in the ordered pair of translation. Add the second point in the ordered pair by the second point in the ordered pair of translation to find the image. Now represent A 0 and 1, 0 and 1, B 2 and 3, 2 in x-axis and 3, C equal negative 1 and 4, negative 1 in x-axis and we go up to 4. Okay, the image A dash 2 and 4, 2 in x-axis, 4 in y-axis, move from 0 to 2. After this, go up 4 steps. This represent A dash. B equal 4 and 6, move 4 steps in y-axis and go up to 6. This represent B dash. C equal 1 and 7, move this 1 in x-axis, 7 on y-axis. This represent A dash, B dash, C dash, and this represent A, B, C. The two triangles are similar, but this in position and this in another position after translation.